Here's my new trailer, the Big-Tex 14 PI, 16 foot, 14,000 pound trailer. And here's what I have it currently secured with that I'm going to be swapping out. The installation of this really can't be much easier. You have your three components. Component in the center locks under where the ball would be when you're pulling your trailer, and we'll install that first. Then there's the coupler cover, which keeps any would-be thieves away from taking your trailer, and then the lock. The first part goes on very quickly, and then drop the latch and it's good to go. With the coupling cover, all you're trying to do is align the slots here with the tabs here. And even with one hand, the coupler cover goes on pretty easily. And with the tabs and slot feature, the two parts that need to be aligned get aligned really easily, and then you're able to just drop the lock on. The installation of this Proven Industries lock is much more secure and much easier to install than I thought it would be. It took less than 2 minutes to install. Looks great. Great fit and finish with the powder coating, and looks impenetrable to thieves trying to get access to anybody's trailer.